Good morning, you guys. It's my day. Fuck, I lost the count. But anyway, it's my last full day here in Rishikesh and I'm all set to leave. आज हम cover करने वाले हैं हरिद्वार because Haridwar is just like 20 kilometers from here. So जो कल scooty हमने rent की थी, we extended it for a day and we're gonna take the same scooty today and explore a bit of Haridwar. Like I just want to see the temples over there. Mom's gonna be proud. Apart from that, yeah, I had a certain set of places that I wanted to see here in Rishikesh. One of them being the Beatles Ashram and the Freedom Cafe and Buddha Cafe. Yes. I think for now the plan would be like first go to Beatles Ashram, then probably if we are hungry we're gonna have lunch at the little Buddha Cafe because it's very nearby to the Beatles Ashram, and then head directly to to Haridwar because that's like 1 hour 15 minutes ride all the way from here. So that's there, and then later in the night I'm gonna see what we're gonna do. Probably go sit at some cafe and chill. No idea, we'll just see how the mood goes because it's gonna be like our last night here. Okay, I'm not so sure if I've showed you guys my dorm room, but here's a video, here's a tour of my room. Not like a room, just my dorm. This is like the balcony. I was just vlogging here, and this is our dorm. There are like 6 beds here, and this was my bed. My stuff's all here. It's my book. Hi. Exploring Haridwar today. Welcome to my private parking space. अरे यार ये खुल रहा नहीं भैया. I ride Mercedes 4-wheeler जिसमें से एक ही व्हील चलता है.
With you the sun is shining 24/7. Cause when we're together, it feels like we're in heaven. If it will get dark, you'll be my million stars. I know I can lean on you. Ooh, you catch me like a leaf falling from a tree. If I'll be a shooting star, you make a wish. No, I don't fake this kind of feeling, never felt so real. My heart is on the table cause you're my everything.
So we are currently here at Chaurasi Kutia. Basically this is the place where people call it like the Beatles Ashram, but it is known as Chaurasi Kutia originally. So if you remember, start of the vlog mein I said that I'm in Rishikesh, the yoga capital of the world. So that happened, the yoga capital of the world happened when Beatles visited this place, and this place came into existence in the entire world. So that's a very interesting fact that I got to know. Apart from that, this place has been founded by Maharshi Mahesh Yogi, and basically when he came here, like I was just listening to the history and I just thought that it would be good to share that with you guys. So when he came here, he found this land and which was really peaceful, perfect for meditation. He bought this property and converted it into an ashram later in the 1950s or 1960s. Currently this is not a working place, this is just open for tourists to have a look at what this place was, but apparently nothing else happens. So yeah, let's explore more of this place. I'm yet to actually see the Beatle Ashram. I'm just looking at all the other sections that they have, so let's go check out Beatles Ashram, the ashram where Beatles actually stayed and meditated. The place looks really abandoned.
Baby's good to me, you know she's happy as can be, you know she said so. I'm in love with her and I feel fine. Baby says she's mine, you know she tells me all the time, you know she said so. I'm in love with her and I feel fine.
Like I said, there's this ashram yoga meditation center right here, and I could listen to the river Ganga. So I just came here walking and this is what I saw. Yep. Wow, dude, that's the whole town. That's river Ganga. these are the Zach and Cody of our group. Yes.
Okay. You first, Zach.
Zach,
first.
so we're,
Zach.
we're Durwa, first time in India,
Yep.
and we survived a motorcycle ride
Yes.
last night.
Thanks to these two great people with the advice, drive slow.
Yeah. And thanks to you because our headlight was
You don't
gone.
have
So
any
yes.
lights, yeah. So
Yes.
it was a two-way thing.
Yeah.
But yeah, fantastic country, fantastic people.
You're coming Bombay.
We're coming
Yeah.
one
And you're
day.
getting in the local.
We're getting on the local maybe.
No, you have to. So after Beatles Ashram, we have come here at Little Buddha Cafe, and it was on one of my lists that I wanted to see this cafe because it has this beautiful view of River Ganga. So we're gonna go and check that out, and I'm gonna have lunch here itself.
Sorry.
It's the table I want, but it's packed. All of it is packed. So at this table, hoping that table gets empty. So that's gonna happen. But the view. So we just got done with our lunch at Buddha Cafe, and it's almost like 2:30, 2:45 right now. But we realized कि यहाँ से हरिद्वार is gonna take us like 2 hours. So by the time we reach there, it's gonna be a little late. आरती करके 2 hours coming back. 2 hours coming back. It's gonna like take our entire day. So we just scanned that pan. And now we are exploring this market यहाँ पे लक्ष्मण झूला के उधर, and just shop and check out the places over here itself. Not going Haridwar though. So फिलहाल हम आए यहाँ पे Pumpernickel German Bakery में, and we are just going through the market लक्ष्मण झूला से. So we found this place and really wanted to have some dessert. Just called for this vegan chocolate cake without dairy, and it's tasty. It's yum. किसने बनाया? आप बना रहे हो?
नहीं, ये बना बनाया आता है। Where are you living? Delhi?
मुंबई.
आप कहाँ से हो?
मैं यहीं से भैया लोकल खारासोस से।
आपका नाम बताइए.
मेरा नाम अभिषेक है।
और आप यहाँ ऋषिकेश से हो?
हाँ, मैं ऋषिकेश से ही हूँ।
ऋषिकेश के बारे में कुछ अच्छी चीज़ें बता सकते हो? क्या है यहाँ पे?
ऋषिकेश परमारथ, राम झूला, लक्ष्मण झूला, 12 मंजिल, 13 मंजिल, रामेश्वर मंदिर, परमारथ, सब कुछ है।
काफ़ी कुछ है. अच्छा है. Such a pleasant evening, having it got some great shots during sunset, and sun has already set. अभी we're just going. यहाँ पे एक शिव भगवान का मूर्ति है and भजन चालू है, तो शायद आरती यहाँ पे ही है. You might just attend the आरती right here, evening आरती, because it's the last day.
पास्ता थोड़ी खाना नहीं होगा.
यहाँ की गाय को पास्ता पसंद लगता है. शी इज लाइकिंग इट.
नीचे रख दे.
गिर जाएगा. फॉल दे दे.
So young. Now, little
Bye.
bit.
Right.
Cold water.
Yeah. It's not cold. Wait. We had just come to this Gurudwara in Rishikesh. It's such a gorgeous Gurudwara. Like when I entered, I was so surprised. Like it's so beautiful. And while I was leaving, the man there invited me to have langar over here. He's like, "Ye prasad hai, you should go and eat." So yeah, I came here to have langar, and it was so tasty again. It's super windy here. It's just like 10 p.m. and oh fuck, it's really windy. It's extremely windy right now. Just thought we'll just take a walk on the streets here in Rishikesh. And also I was craving for some dessert, especially the cheesecake. But the cafe that I went to, they did not have. So we are hunting for cheesecake at this hour. But I really wish I was inside because it's extremely cold and it's windy. Dude. Good morning, you guys. What's up? I am currently headed towards Lakshman Jhula and Niche ka river ka area because I want to get some good shots, which is why I sort of woke up early. It's our last few hours here and I just want to make the most of it. Gonna take some good shots. Let's see how they turn out, because yesterday when we went to the Jhula, it was very crowded and I want like thoda empty shots. So that's what we're gonna do. Then uske baad I'm gonna go Ganga Cafe because it's right by the river and the view from there is amazing. So for breakfast I'm gonna go there, then come back to my hostel and chill with my friends over here. Lakshman Jhula se we just left. We got some good pictures here. Comparatively, it was much more emptier than yesterday. Plus the light was good since it's sunrise time. So yeah, we got good pictures here. Now we are headed Niche banks ke udhar to get the view of the temple and the Jhula together in one frame.
Forum and Kari sitting on a tree.
We're not sitting on a tree. Sitting here, दोनों तरफ मंदिर है and there's prayer happening. यहाँ पे कुछ तो spiritual music चालू है. And it's just two of us sitting by the river, listening to the river move. So peaceful. So sad to leave today. It's my last few hours here. बड़ा किसके लिए कहाँ रखना है देखो. गीला. Now
Therapy.
stone therapy. Yeah.
1,000 rupees. 1000 रुपया हुआ.
ये 1000 rupees.
I'll show you.
अबे going back to our hostel now. कुछ ज़्यादा हम लोग ने चल लिया. We again went for shopping. Market से आए. We had good lunch. Then had a good walk and we were just walking on Ram Jhula going back to the hostel while also doing some shopping. Cheesecake. Remember how yesterday night I told you that I was craving for some dessert and especially cheesecake. So yes, I went to the same coffee shop, Brewmaster, here in Rishikesh, and today they had blueberry cheesecake for me. So I just had that, yes. And I feel now I'm looking like a ball. I think I've gained a lot of weight because I cannot stop eating here. जब देखो तब I am just looking for places where I can eat good food or go to street and shop and eat. So yeah, I'm just spending all my money here on shopping and on eating, and now I'm turning into a big ball. We're just drawing something, doodling something on the walls here at the hostel because they said you can do it. So we're gonna try something.
With you, the sun is shining 24/7. Cause when we're together, it feels like we're in heaven. If it will get dark, you'll be my million stars. I know I can lean on you. Ooh, you catch me like a leaf falling from a tree. If I'll be a shooting star, you make a wish. No,
Okay guys, so this is what I drew here. Tell the while I'm home. Put my handle here and Indian YouTuber. That's what I do. In case you're coming here at Mustache, don't forget to click a picture of this and send it to me. ये है हरीश जी and उन्होंने यहाँ का बेस्ट बर्गर बनाते हैं. हमने 3 दिन में कितने बर्गर खा लिए? रोज एक एक 5 खा लिए.
पता चला ना कि बर्गर बेस्ट है.
उसके बाद हम लोग ब्रेकफास्ट पे खाने लगे
इतने बंस मंगाया.
और अभी हम लास्ट खाने वाले लास्ट बना रहे हैं बिफोर हम यहाँ से निकले. तो पैटिस रेडी है, बंस बन रहे हैं और वेजिटेबल्स कट रहे हैं. The last burger is here. We're gonna miss this. And Rooney. Rooney, bye. Bye, Rooney.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Back to home, back to Mumbai. बहुत गर्मी है यहाँ पे. This jacket is like a total waste. But anyway, that was it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this entire series. And if you guys did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.